may mga kabatchmates man tayo may fairy tales and love life na nagsimula sa high school at hanggang ngayon, I acknowledge them. Talagang hanggang ngayon, nandyan pa sila.
Chodor and Elsa.
Sa high school, may kwento ng kalungkutan at problema na may nagdadamayan just to solve the problem. Sabi nga nila sa kantang Apo Hiking Society, nandirito ako, ang barkada mong tunay aawit sa'yo. Sa lungkot at ligaya, hirap at ginhawa kami kasama mo. Sisigang kulob eh. Ganyan ang buhay high school. Ang barkada laging nagdadamayan. Ito'y patunay na ang high school was just a practice of the real drama of adult life. Ang high school, isang paghahanda sa ating para sa magiging buhay sa ating pagtanda. Parang kailan lang, we celebrated the 20th anniversary. Salamat sa mga kabatchmate na nagsimula nito. I can mention Mr. Dirk Larose, isa sa mga pillar natin dito sa mga our late Pasky, at marami pang iba. Sila yung nagsimula dito. Ito ang simula ng salitang Parekoy. Hanggang ngayon may nabubuo tayong gaya ng wasalak words. Words na kapag narinig natin, hindi na maalala natin ang mga ginawa ng mga celebration na ito. Hindi natatapos ang reunion noong 20th reunion dahil every 5 years meron tayong ganitong event. Now, we are celebrating the 35th anniversary. Just like a seed that was planted 15 years before. So, lumaki ang seed na ito, and with all our efforts, we are now harvesting the full fruit, of our labor. And this juncture, I would like to extend my warmest congratulations, thanks to our batchmates who have personalized and capitalized this event. Sir Ness, laking tulong sa akin dahil sabi nga nila, more heads better than one head better than one.
More heads are better than one.
Ganun ba yan? Sige. Yun, si Sir Ness ang lagi kong tinatawagan kapag may mga ganito. Sabi ko sa kanya, Sir Ness, I leave it to you. Ikaw mag-direct nito. Lahat ng dinirect nito sa kanya nang galing at nag-i-input lang kami. Hindi biro magkaroon ng ganitong event. 1 year preparation is not enough. But having a brilliant minds from our batchmate, from my co-governors and generous batchmates, nagawa natin itong posible. The joint effort of batchmate and our here and abroad, we made this event possible. That's why millions of thanks to begin to all, to our batchmate, and we are not here today, but who are forever in our hearts. Tonight, we don't need time machine to transport us back in time dahil ang makasaysayang memories ang ating gagamitin to cherish these old days. So just enjoy the night, and tonight we are the stars of this program. Thank you. Congratulations, 89ers.
Absolutely amazing. Good evening, everyone. Batch President, Governors, dali lang ang tawag, and teachers and batchmates. Dali, tumatawag yung performer natin. Daxi, Michelle, please, can you All right. So the smiles on your faces tonight is priceless. Absolutely amazing. You all look amazing tonight. As we gather tonight to celebrate our 35th high school reunion, let us take a moment to pause and reflect on the journey that has brought us all together. I would like to request for all of us to please say thank you to the person next to you. Please do so. Thank you. Because without each and every one of you all, this wouldn't be possible. I also want to take this moment to thank our batch president, Enrico Malonzo. Brother, I love you. Absolutely great. For leading us and all to the governors that made a lot of sacrifices for this event to actually take place and happen. So, thank you and to all the sponsors of making this event such an outstanding success. They deserve this special recognition.
This reunion is not just about looking back on what we've accomplished, but also about acknowledging the bonds that have sustained us through every challenge. Together, we achieve greatness, and together, we'll continue to strive for even greater heights. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. Ang saya na muling magkita-kita tayo ngayong gabi para sa ating reunion. It's been years we last saw each other. Pero parang kahapon lang ang mga alaala natin. Nakakatuwang isipin na kahit na iba-iba na ang ating mga pinagdaanan sa buhay, narito pa rin tayo ngayon, magkakasama. Ang reunion na ito ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pagbabalik tanaw sa nakaraan. Di kayo nagsasawang tumulong sa batch. Marami man ang ayaw magpabanggit, but still, thank you. We, the Board of Governors, are overwhelmed with gratitude and for your generous donations towards our event. Your support means the world to us, and we are deeply thankful for your contributions. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagtiwala sa amin, lalong-lalo na po sa akin, sa paghawak ng fans natin para sa gabing ito. Dahil hindi po biro ang maghanap ng pondo, dahil sabi nga nila, nag-start kami 0 centavo. But, tignan nyo naman kung ano yung resulta ng pinagpagulat.
Or to share something para mas maging masaya yung ating activity. So sa mga batchmate natin, hindi ako humihingi ng yung kaya nyo lang itulong for the second day, please do so. You can contact our finance, si Rina. Huwag po kayo mahiya. Whatever amount, magiging mas masaya for our batchmates yun, okay? Tapos, meron tayo pong mga potluck to, pero we will provide at least 2 dishes and then pagsasaluhan natin kung ano ba natin dadalhin. So, may mga nag-pledge na mga batchmate tayo. So, yung mga gusto magdala, we are still open. Kahit ano lang pong dalhin ninyo. Okay? After that, kakaroon ng video presentation. And then, habang kumakain, may live band after. Next slide, please. Yon. As requested by our entrepreneur batchmates, we welcome those who want to display or sell their products. Okay? During the said activity. And also for our talented batchmates who wants to perform, will be very much appreciated. So may mga batchmate tayo na gustong kumanta or please do so. May mga talented tayong batchmate. Gawin niyo po on our second day. So let's enjoy the night, party, drink, syempre with moderation. Sing, dance, swim, mingle, or just relax. Listening to our live performances. Let's celebrate together and enjoy this moment. See you all batchmates on Saturday.
Pero
Thank you.
dapat, because of my attire now, dapat pang mayaman ang iyak ko. Okay? Wait lang. Dapat sa side lang. Okay? Kasi nung high school ako, pag umiyak ako, pag ganun, sobrang hirap ko eh. Eh ngayon, kaya kasama ko yung mamayaman na tulad nyo, dapat sa side lang. I want everyone to cry. Ganito. Come on, ngayon lang yan. Magpanggap kayong mayaman kayo. Okay? Thank you, everyone. Now, a while ago, nagbigay tayo ng token as recognition for the achievers. Masyado kasing tahimik yung iba. Very humble. Pero we found out na meron pa palang dalawa na kailangan natin ng bigyan. No? May I request Rina and President Rico to present the token. Two retired police woman. Edith Pulanadi. Yan. Si Edith, meron pala siyang dalawang clinic, no? So, yung mga lumalabo yung mata, okay? Puntahan nyo si Edith, okay? Gusto sa ka nakakitang pulis na ganyan, magkukos ng traffic yan sa sobrang ganda niya, oh. And we have another one, my God! Siya pala yung, manager yata ng Metro Bank buong Luzon, ha? Bumagyo, umulan man. Myra Tongkol. Okay. Yan, okay. Gusto kong bibigatin.
Kung ginaganahan kayo, ganyan-ganyan. Yan. Tapos, ganito lang yan. Pag sinabi kong, we're the best! Woo! Ganon ha. Ganon lang. Isa pa. We're simply the best! Ay, ano yun? Kanta natin to. We're the best ba o hindi? We're the best o hindi? Ayan. We're simply the best! Isa pa. We're simply the best! Ayan. Ganyan dapat. Pag narinig nyo yung tempo na yun, we're simply the best, sigaw lang tayo kasi it's for us. Ngayon, sino mga gano'n? Sino pinagpumito? Ganon? Sino yan? Yan naman? Yan. Sa huli nyo gagawin yan. Ito, sino pang, pwede pa pumalakad tayo kasi sa atin yan, no? We're simply the best! Woo! Better than all the rest. We're better than anyone. Anyone I ever met. It's stuck on our hearts. We're hanging every word we say. Oh, there is a part. No. Baby, I would rather be dead. In your heart of every stars of every night and every day. In your eyes, I get lost, I get washed away. Just as long as I'm here in your arms, I could be no better place to go. We're simply the best. Woo! Pero yan, love na love ko yan. Okrayan kami every time. Pero syempre, hindi ako patatalo. At ngayon talaga hindi siya patatalo. Dahil kumanta ko kanina, narinig niya. Narinig niya. Galing pa yan na Maynila.
Mukhang pinaghandaan nga niya eh.
Oo nga eh. Kaya nung nakita ko siya sa banyo, nabigla siya sa akin. Na-starstruck siya, pero sabi niya, I will beat you, sabi. Okay? Ganyan yan eh. Ganyan. Pero love na love ko talaga yan.
Pero alam ko, meron akong isang kwento sa kanya ngayong araw na ito. Actually, bago nga siya pumunta dito galing siya sa isang building na kilalang kilala ng lahat eh.
Wow.
Bigyan po namin kayo ng idea kung saan po siya galing bago pumunta dito sa ating venue for tonight. Itong building na ito, sige po, bibigyan po namin ng premyo ang makakasagot. Ang building po na ito ay madalas pinagtutulugan ng konting oras. Kulay pula ang building na ito.
Patay
At
tayo.
madalas nagbibigay ng isang buong manok. Ngayon, malalaman po natin sa kanya kung totoo nga ba ang balitang
Na may
nagbibigay sila
Na may
ng
manok talaga.
buong manok, no?
Ay.
Ng chicken. Malalaman natin. Now, without any further ado to give us all an entertainment, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead, Mitch.
My love the only Daxi Fowler!
Let us welcome Dax Martin in the house!
And let me play among the stars. Yeah. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. Picture na naman. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. Okay, we are celebrating 35 years bilang 89ers. Kayo, it is the 89ers Gala Night. Tama ba yon? Tama ba ang sinabi ko? Walang titigil! Walang titigil! Hey, 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 hey! You man, what the fuck? Ay, sorry po. Hi, ma'am. Bad word lang nasabi ko, pero gala night to eh. Kahit anong sabihin natin, pwede. Di ba, teachers? Di ba? Consider nyo naman ako. Batch 87, oh. Sige na, please. Ngayon lang naman eh. At saka isang lang yung word ng sinabi ko. Pero ewan ko kay Ma'am Santiago. Kasi religion, di ba? Oh. Tapos kayo naman, mukha kayong kagalang-galang. No? Siguro mga lawyers kayo. Doctors. May lawyer tayo. Sino mga lawyers dito? Lawyer ka? Corrupt na lawyer siguro to. Anong pangalan niyo, kuya, sir?
Frank Angeles.
Hello, Frank Angeles. Siyempre, lawyer. At ang balito ko, isa sa mga crush ko nung high school, yung batch ninyo, itong si Ronald Ong. Dahil nung nag-volleyball, talagang nakakaloka siya, hindi ko nakikita kahit may araw. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, wow! Ito, tayo ka nga, baby. Diba? Kababata ko rin to, actually. Matanda nga ako. Gago ka. Ay, sorry po, ma'am. Sorry po. Kiss nga. Sarap! Tapos ang bunso kong kapatid, si Dirk. Ayan. Si Dirk naman, itong batang to, ang lagi kong, isang taon akong kinukulit para ngayong gabi. Diba? Ay, pero sandali. Welcome, Senator Bato. Hello po. Na-distract ako sa kinang ng ulo mo, ha? Nasilaw ako. Ha? Talaga? Oh, yeah. Ito, si Dirk, pasasalamatan ko rin. Kasi without Dirk, I wouldn't be here tonight. Kaya palakpakan natin. At ang kanyang may bahay na si Melody, kung natandaan, naging muse niya siya, di ba? Parang wala kayong kwentang kausap talaga. Diyos ko, interaction to, oh. Mag-usap tayo.
Naku, hindi naman ako, never ako pumaya. Ay, another! Ma'am Canor! Hello po, Ma'am Canor! Oo. Kumusta ka naman? Ikaw kasama niyo siya kanina, di ba? Ayun. Kapal ng mukha mo, Michelle. Never nangyari yan. Bakla ako, uy. Nagkaanak lang ako, pero bakla ako. Pero huwag kang ganyan, maganda ka rin. Ha? Mabes ng tikitin. Ito si Roda Minista. Bawal magsabi ng bad jokes eh. Sabi ko sa anak ka ng dede mo. Pero hindi ko sasabihin. Pero ang number one natin bigyan ng tribute ngayon, every time na
I would like to invite everyone to please grab their glasses in front of you. Kahit tubig po yan, juice, anything. If you have your alcohol with you, that's fine. Let us all offer a toast for this celebration. On my count, let us all shout, 89ers, congratulations, and then cheers. Ready in 3, 2, 1! Cheers, everybody! Once again, thank you so much for having us. My name is Mark Atakut and your host. Together with me, coordinators by Glitz Events and Motifs. Of course, we have the photo and video teams by Kinematic. And now, let us all enjoy the night. And the night's still young, so it's time to party, ladies and gentlemen, together with our duo, Jerry and Che. Later on, we'll enjoy DJ Randy Pashon. Everybody, it's time to party!